But man, I feel like our district, our Northwest Ohio district is on, these boys are very impressive today. They have really lit a fire. In heat 2, in lane 2, Margaretta. In lane 3, Colonel Crawford. In lane 4, Lexington. Lane 5, New Bremen. In lane 6, Ashland. In lane 7, Huron. In lane 8, Minster. In lane 9, Lima Shawnee. So lane 4 is Lexington, and they were 6th in this event last year. So it'd be interesting to see
how they come in this year.
But it looks like down there in lane 8, Minster was 2nd last year. So our top one was Wapakoneta. They were our winners last year. And Minster was in 2nd. So,
and there goes Lexington.
Up there for Lexington. Wow, he was moving. Fast split there.
$23.81 at $23.90 from Ashland.
This pool is just moving. Lexington's going to take it with a 131.59